Through the little bit of green screen magic, I'm going to take you on a tour around the world to visit 5 different customers and learn about how they're driving digital outcomes.
I think the biggest lesson that all of us have learned is the tremendous role of technology and of powerful collective action, which can only be put together if you're able to connect, and connect in an effective, efficient manner. So having this background of Microsoft's secure platform, of a seamless, easy communication and integration was really at the heart of what I believe has been a very successful fight.
Orsted's growth is still ahead of us, but in parts of the world with seas and winds that we barely know yet. That requires that we do lots of simulations based on data. So with the transition to parallel compute and utilization of the cloud, we've been able to speed up these simulations, not to cut the cost away, but so we can all the time be confident and, of course, turn the world into a place that runs entirely on green energy.
We are digitizing the entire customer journey, and in order to do so, we need to harmonize processes and also to have an integrated system landscape on wholesale and on retail level. We collect information across all sales channels and across all touchpoints and make them available to our dealer partners. And this is where Microsoft's applications help us to drive this change.
We always collected data and managed it well, but I'm not sure we activated it anywhere near to the level that we are today. With 15 million plus packages a day going around the world, it provides amazing insights, elevating it to the highest order citizen that we have. And that includes the vaccines, where we're using IoT devices to provide intense visibility and predictive capabilities around these most critical shipments.
When you look at the cyber landscape outside of us, the threat landscape's getting bigger and it's moving faster. We embraced the Microsoft Security Suite. We cut our applications in half and moved them to Azure because we believed that public cloud was inherently safer. This lets us bring more and more signals together to the one place so that we can see the patterns faster and we can act on the threats more holistically.
If you think about it, through these examples, we've really made sure that technology is the servant of the business outcomes. I always say digital transformation is about business transformation empowered by technology, and in that order.